Free Fire is the most played and the hottest game in the world, but many people worldwide complained about Free Fire download failed retry issue on Android or iPhone. This issue occurs during downloading files for Free Fire or when people try to download different maps for the games. If you want to fix this problem, watch this video to learn some quick tips to solve the download failed problem on your mobile device. If I talk about why it happened, I must tell you that mainly this issue stands for insufficient storage and internet, or sometimes also happen for software bugs. Now, if you want to solve the problem, first optimize your storage to fix your problem. Go to your mobile setting, open this up, tap About, tap Storage. Now, this chart is going to show you all the details about your storage. Tap Free app to remove all junk and unwanted files on your device. Go back, tap Deep Clean. Now clean manually top to bottom. Now come back here. If you found that you have too many games and apps, remove those apps or games that you don't need anymore. After having some free storage, please check your internet. Make sure to have speed and stable internet for your Android device. To solve your internet issues, open your setting. Now if you're using Wi-Fi, tap on Wi-Fi. Or if you're using mobile data, open SIM card and mobile networks. Now scroll down, choose Advanced Setting, tap Test Network. Now wait and see if your network is standard or not. If your internet connection is not normal, go back. You can enable airplane mode and after a while, turn it off. Or you can switch your Wi-Fi network to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. After solving your internet issues, you must remove the software bugs for your Free Fire game. For that, you need to open Setting, scroll down to Apps, tap Manage Apps, look for the Free Fire application, enable all settings from restricting data usage. Tap Battery Saver, tap No Restriction, tap Clear Data, choose the Clear All Cache. Tap OK. After that, remove the Free Fire from your background. Before you check your issues, make sure to update your Free Fire game on your Android device. After allowing all the work accordingly, you'll be able to solve your download failed issues on Free Fire and you'll be able to play it as well. If you still have a problem, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.